Keeping your home clean is no easy task, especially if you're juggling work, family, and other daily responsibilities. That's why investing in a smart cleaning device like this iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus is not only practical, but can also be life-changing. This 2-in-1 self-emptying robot vacuum and mop offers a smart, efficient, and hands-free solution for your cleaning needs. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, spilled cereal, or muddy footprints, this advanced machine handles both dry and wet messes effortlessly. What makes the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus stand out? The iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus isn't just another robot vacuum. It's a complete cleaning solution. Here's why this gadget is a must-have for every household. 1. 2-in-1 cleaning power. The standout feature of the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus is its dual functionality. With just a simple switch of a bin, this device can seamlessly transition between vacuuming and mopping. From daily dust and debris to tougher spills, the i5 Plus handles everything with ease. Imagine being able to vacuum your carpets and mop your hard floors without lifting a finger. This robot brings that dream to life. 2. Self-emptying convenience for up to 60 days. No one enjoys the chore of emptying a vacuum bin, but with the Roomba Combo i5 Plus, you won't have to worry about it for up to 60 days. The machine automatically empties itself into an enclosed bag that stores up to 2 months' worth of dirt and debris. That means less time spent cleaning and more time doing what you love. 3. Intelligent smart mapping and personalized cleaning. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus learns the layout of your home and creates a custom smart map, allowing you to direct it to clean specific rooms with a voice command or through the iRobot Home app. Whether it's the kitchen after dinner or the living room after your kids have had a play date, the robot adapts to your needs and schedule. 4. Powerful performance with 4-stage cleaning. This machine doesn't just clean, it deep cleans. Featuring a powerful 4-stage cleaning system and dual multi-surface rubber brushes, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus tackles dirt, pet hair, and other messes across different floor types, all while avoiding tangling. Its patented dirt detect technology can even detect dirtier areas, focusing more attention on places that need it most, like high-traffic areas or spots your pets frequent. Whether it's carpets, hardwood, or tile floors, this robot adapts to the surface and cleans it thoroughly. Pet owners will especially appreciate the i5 Plus for its ability to manage pet hair without getting stuck. 5. Wet floor mopping for spotless results. One of the biggest selling points of the Roomba Combo i5 Plus is its wet floor mopping functionality. Equipped with a specialized microfiber pad, perfect for wiping away dirt, dust, and even footprint. All you need to do is fill the combo bin's tank with water or a compatible cleaning solution, and the robot takes care of the rest. This makes it ideal for homes with hard flooring that needs regular mopping. If you're looking for a device that not only vacuums, but also leaves your floors sparkling clean, look no further than the Roomba Combo i5 Plus. 6. Voice control compatibility. Another standout feature is voice control. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri-enabled devices, allowing you to clean your home using simple voice commands. Whether you're multitasking or just want the ultimate hands-free experience, the i5 Plus makes cleaning as easy as saying, "Hey Siri, clean the living room." This advanced integration makes the Roomba Combo i5 Plus a perfect addition to any smart home ecosystem. 7. Complete control through the iRobot Home app. The iRobot Home app provides even more control over your cleaning experience. Set up schedules, get notifications, or check your robot's cleaning history, all from your smartphone. You can even receive personalized cleaning suggestions based on the changing seasons or busy times in your household. This level of control means you can truly tailor the i5 Plus to meet your unique cleaning needs. Why the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus is the future of home cleaning. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is key. The iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus combines powerful cleaning performance, cutting-edge technology to deliver an unbeatable cleaning experience. Whether you're a pet owner, a busy professional, or simply someone who appreciates a clean home, this robot vacuum and mop takes the hassle out of keeping your floors spotless. With its self-emptying feature, smart mapping, voice control compatibility, and dual functionality for vacuuming and mopping, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus truly is a game changer for home cleaning. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.